Hey, to translate any website in the Opera GX, all you have to do is just to open a new tab and open and input this phrase Opera extension. And now go into this website Opera Advanced. Now from this, we'll have to actually find the Google Translator. So click here to find extensions and input translator phrase. There we go. And from this, I can recommend you to get the first one. So now, as you can see, we'll have to click on this icon. There we go. Now this extension was added into the Opera GX. And now let's click on this icon in the right upper corner. It looks like the box actually, but that's actually the extension. So click on it, and then we'll have to click on this icon. But currently it is not working because we just simply do not enter for any website, but I want to recommend you to pin this extension so it will be visible right here. And now let's open any website, for example this one. That's the website with the Polish language, and if we want to translate it into the English, for example, just click on this extension. Now you will have to actually select the first language, so in this case that's actually the Polish language, and you want to translate to the English. So now we'll have to click on this icon, translate the active website to the English. And as you can see right now, the website will open with the English language. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.